This is Wes. Multiple stones here, multiple magnets. You can Skype me at Curry, Curry, Currie, Wesley, Wesley. Skype. Enjoy. You can charge your stones, cleanse your stones. Contact me on Skype. Currie, Currie, Wesley, Wesley. Skype. Multiple information here. Enjoy this video. You can Skype me or go to my Facebook page, Wesley, Wesley, Currie, Currie. I have a lot of information for you. How to charge your stones. There's multiple magnets here. There's magnets all over the place. Stones all over the place. This is what I do. This is my hobby.